Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to go over the dividends in my portfolio from the past 3 months. Dividends are a great source of passive income just for being a shareholder of the dividend paying stocks. Currently my portfolio is at $190,525 and cash position is at $4,694. Taking a look at the dividends, let's go to the history section and then filter by dividends. So scrolling down, starting to July of 2019, July 1st. First dividend is Schwab Large Cap ETF, $51.58. Next is VOO, Vanguard S&P 500, $98.40. Next is Vanguard Mega Cap Value, $12.60. Next is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturer, $25.45. Spider S&P 500, $11.45. AT&T, $35.19. Apple, $41.58. Constellation Brands, $2.25. NetEase, $2.07. Visa, $14.25. Boeing, $34.94. Johnson & Johnson, $45.60. 3M, $24.48. Microsoft, $33.12. Costco, $6.50. Nexstar Energy, $11.25. McDonald's, $29. Home Depot, $24.48. Nvidia, $5.76. United Health, $19.44. Pepsi is $17.19. iShares Core S&P 500 is $13.34. And Schwab Large Cap ETF is $54.33. That's a total of $614.25 in the past 3 months in my Robinhood portfolio. That's a total of over $2,400 a year, which is a yield of 1.3% based on my current portfolio size. I plan to continue holding these stocks and ETFs and reinvesting my dividends into more stocks, preferably a good balance between dividend paying stocks and high growth stocks, so I can increase my dividend yield as I reinvest and as the companies increase their dividend payouts. That's all for this video. What are your favorite dividend stocks? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.